Welcome to the new donation import feature from $10 only. This tool helps you bring your donation records into the system quickly, easily, and in the correct format. To get started, click on the Donations drop-down, then select Import Donations. On the first step, read through the instructions carefully. Before continuing, make sure you choose the correct donor identifier. This helps the system match your donation records to the correct donor information. Once you're ready, continue to step 2. Here, you can download the Excel template. After downloading the template, open the file and add your donation details using the same format provided in the spreadsheet. Once your Excel file has been updated and saved, continue to step 3. From here, you'll be asked to upload your completed donation file. Click on the Upload area, then select the saved Excel document containing your donation details. The system will take a few seconds to process your data. Once your file has been uploaded, you'll see a summary of the donation information that is about to be imported. Review the details to make sure everything looks correct. If there are no errors, click Continue. The system will now begin importing your donation records. Once the import has been completed, click Close. You'll then be taken back to your donations dashboard. And just like that, your donations have been imported successfully. Your donor and donation records are now ready to use for donation tracking, Section 18A receipts, and IT3D submissions. With the annual IT3D submission deadline on the 31st of May, keeping accurate donor and donation records is essential. $10 only makes this process easier by helping you keep the right information organized and ready when you need it.